What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. My name is Ivan and I'm the videographer and social media manager here at Beacons, and today we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your first digital product using Beacons. Selling digital products is an amazing, easy to set up and low-cost way to monetize. By selling digital products, you provide something valuable to your audience, not only building trust and rapport, but also getting some nice income to help support your creator journey. Before we get started, there are some things we need to take care of first. Step 1, make sure you're all set up on Beacons. If not, then
what are you doing?
The sign up link is in the description, so go ahead. Step 2, have an idea for a digital product. Don't have one, or you're struggling to figure one out, check out this video right here, or some help articles in the description below. We got you. If you already have a digital product on another platform, check out our store importer tool. Just drop the link and we'll do the rest. Awesome. Now that we have that taken care of, let's get into the tutorial. Open up Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Digital Products. And you'll already be in the My Digital Products section in the drop-down menu. Now, there's going to be a couple options thrown at you, such as appointments, courses, and memberships. But today we'll be focusing on digital products. Now you are in the product builder. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, you can edit the design of your product page with different layouts, colors, and fonts. Once you're satisfied with the look of your page, you can click anywhere on the builder itself to adjust and change how the product page will look, or use the side drawer to change every individual thing by simply clicking the Sections tab at the top. Let's start at the top by changing the product title. Next, let's adjust the price to what you think your digital product is worth. You can either set your own price or let your customers pay what they want. You can also add a discounted price to draw in potential buyers, or make the product free and use it as a lead magnet. Also, be sure to change the currency type to your country. Next on the list is adding a description. Now, if you already have what you want to say in mind, that's great. You're already a step ahead. However, if you have a hard time wording out everything, use our AI to generate one for you by simply adding some key details. Next up, we have media. Add eye-catching images or videos that explain and show what the product is about. And after that, we have the most important section, adding your product files or links. This will be the actual product your customers will receive after purchasing your product. It can be anything from a JPEG to a Word doc, or a link like a website or Notion page. Next, we have the optional sections, but I'll give you a brief overview of each one. Add order bumps to promote your other products at a discounted rate if bought together. Limit product sales to have a limited edition item to draw urgency. Create affiliate links for your products so your affiliate sellers can get a commission rate when they make a sale. Adjust your SEO settings if you have Beacons Pro. Display your overall rating so others can see what others think of your product. Let your followers ask you a question to further convince them to buy. Change the CTA button to something more custom. And lastly, display reviews so you can have social proof of real people writing great reviews of your product. Great, we have the hardest and most important part done. Next, let's customize the checkout screen. Once again, you can adjust the price and add different fields and even make a custom one. Next tab over, we can adjust the success screen. Leave this as is or make it personal, completely up to you. And lastly, we have the email receipt. Nothing to do here, but once you're satisfied with absolutely everything, hit next, and here is where you can add your product to your link in bio. Clicking this button will add a products block to your link in bio with your product displayed. If you have multiple storefronts on your link in bio or website, just choose from here where you want your product to be displayed. If you choose not to display right now, you can always press skip. Some helpful tips is that you can add multiple products in each block, but you can also add more product blocks to section or organize all of your products. To add more product blocks, click Add Block. Under the product section, choose Digital Products. Select the layout, choose your products, and there you go. And that's it. You have officially created and displayed your brand new digital product. completely optional, but don't forget to market it by sending out an email broadcast, a sales funnel, adding it as a pop-up when people visit your page, or get an asset to share it on your socials. And that's a wrap. I hope this step-by-step tutorial helped you feel confident about creating your first digital product with Beacons. Remember, selling digital products isn't just about making money. It's about delivering value, building trust with your audience, and leveling up your creator game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tips, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. And if you're ready to start monetizing, head over to Beacons and make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.